Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and getting both devices ready. Make sure your TV supports the method you plan to use, AirPlay, Miracast, Chromecast, or HDMI, and that you know where its input selection is. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, or plug an HDMI cable into both devices if you prefer a wired link. Turn the TV on and navigate to the screen mirroring or input channel, so the receiver is waiting for your connection. Now you'll initiate the actual share. On an iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. On Android, use Cast or Smart View. On Windows, open Project or use Chrome's Cast to select your TV. Choose the TV name shown, and make sure to accept any pairing code displayed on the television so the devices trust each other. Once connected, adjust resolution, orientation, and audio output in your device's display or app settings to reduce. To finish, stop sharing from your device or switch the TV to another input. That cleanly ends the session. If you notice lag or poor quality, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, bring devices closer to the router, or use an HDMI cable for a stable connection. If the TV never appears, reboot the TV, your phone or computer, and the router, then re-enable mirroring mode. That often clears discovery and network issues so you can reconnect quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.